Namaste and good evening to all. Welcome to the 21st day of October Yoga Challenge. So, as usual, we'll start with making a humming sound three times. And while making a humming sound, just keep your attention to each and every part of your body, basically the whole body, and then make a humming sound. Okay, let's close your eyes. Take a normal breath in, breathe out. Take a deep breath in and breathe out completely. Keeping the attention on your whole body. Breathe in for making a humming sound. Relax. Feel the sensations inside the body. And wherever your mind is, bring back to this moment here and now. Slowly and gently open your eyes. So today we'll be practicing Kapalbhati Pranayam. So those who know how to do Kapalbhati, just keep your eyes closed. For others, those who are joining for first time and don't know how to do it, I'll show you how. We'll be breathing out forcefully, and while breathing out, we pull our navel in. Forceful breath out and pull your navel in. And then breathing in is automatic. We'll be doing this for 20 breaths, 3 rounds. So let me show you for 3 breaths like this. Breathing. So when you're breathing out, we are pulling your navel in and up, and then breathing in is automatic. And keep your attention on your navel region while doing this breathe out. Okay, let's start. Take a normal breath in, breathe out completely. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Breathe in for Kapalbhati. Relax. Feel the sensation inside the body. With a smile on your face. Let's do second round of Kapalbhati. Take a normal breath in, breathe out. Take a deep breath in, breathe out completely. Breathe in for Kapalbhati. Relax. Feel the sensation around your face region, frontal lobe of your head. Let's continue with third round of Kapalbhati. Take a normal breath in, breathe out. Breathe in for Kapalbhati. Relax. Feel the sensation inside the body with a smile on your face. Now slowly and gently open your eyes. Let's do some joint loosening exercises. Let's start with the neck. Breathing in, take your head up. And breathing out, chin to the chest. Once again, breathing in, take your head up. And breathing out, chin to the chest. This time, breathing in from your right and back. And breathing out, left and front. Keep a smile on your face and attention on your neck region. Coordinate the movement with the breath. And once you complete this round, reverse direction, breathing in left and back, and breathing out right and front. Breathing in, slowly come up. Let's stretch our arms in front of the chest. Pull your fingers towards your body and palms away from the body. Nice stretch to your whole arm. Pull your finger towards your body and palms away from the body. And breathing out, take your palms down, in, up, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Stay here and spread your arms on both the sides, in line with the shoulder. Stay here, pull your fingers towards your body and palms away from the body. Keep a smile on your face. Stay here. Now gently move your palm, breathing out, back side and down. Breathing in, come to the center, and breathing out, front and down. Make a nice tata bye-bye moment. And relax. Shrug your shoulders a little bit. Relax your arms. Now let's rock our body like a pendulum, left and right. Gently place the palms on the ground. Now slowly start placing the elbows also on the ground. This time when you touch the right elbow, lift up your left arm. Stretch your left arm, but make sure both the hips are still touching the ground. Let's do it on the other side. Hips are still touching the ground. And relax. Let's twist our spine. Place your left palm on your right knee and your right palm on your left hip. Look over your right shoulder. Then breathing in, come back to the center and on the other side. In, come back to the center, to the right. In, center, and breathe out to the left. And in, center. Okay. Let's do a body rotation. Straighten your back, arms on your knees, facing the ground. Breathing out, bend forward. And breathing in from the right and back. Breathing out left and front. Make a nice rotation. Once you complete this round, reverse direction. Breathing in left and back and breathing out right and front. Breathing in, slowly come up. Let's work on our ankle and knees. Straighten up your leg. Sit in Dandasana. Stretch your toes, pointing to the front wall. Breathing in, release, stretch, release, stretch, release. And then start making the ankle rotation clockwise. Clockwise rotation. Anti-clockwise. And relax. Okay. Now let's shake our fingers and stand up. Shake your whole body, shake your legs. So today our exercises will focus on working on our thighs and hips. So let's start with the high knee. Okay. Make a fist like this, thumbs up, and we'll bring our knees close to the fist and then bring it down. Okay, let's start. Ride a horse. And relax. Relax, catch a few breaths. We will also do Ridgati Injan Daud today. So how to do Ridgati Injan Daud? We'll be punching our arms like this and hitting our heels to the buttocks and making a sound from the nose as if the engine is running. Okay? So let's start. And relax. Take few breaths. You may breathe in from the nose and breathe out through the mouth. Okay. Let's start with Urdhva Tadasana. Breathing in, take your arms up. Interlace the finger. Palms facing the sky and slowly come up on your toes. Stretch your arms and stretch your whole spine. Stay on your toes. Look at a single point in front of you. You will be able to hold easily. And breathing out, relax. Let's do tree pose. Balance our whole weight. Transfer your whole weight to the right foot first. And then slowly lift up your left leg. Place your left foot on the inner thighs of the right leg. And breathing in, you may bring your palms in front of the chest first and then slowly take it up. Whatever is convenient to you. And look at a single point in front of you. You will be able to hold. Play with your toes. Balance your body. And your left leg is open. Stay there. Continue breathing. Breathing out. Relax. Let's do it with the other leg. Now transfer the weight on the left leg. Breathing in, lift up your right leg and place it on the inner thigh of your left leg. Breathing in, take your arms up. Join your palms together. And stay there. Continue breathing. Do not hold the breath. And breathing out, relax your arms. Let's do Veerbhadrasana 1 and 2, warrior pose 1 and 2. Spread your leg 3 to 3.5 feet apart. Turn your foot, right foot 90 degrees outward, the left foot maybe 45 degrees inward, and turn your body to the right side first. Slowly join your palms together in front of the chest. Bend your right leg and come up on your toes for the left leg, and slowly take your arms up. You may take your left leg back to go deeper into the stretch and bend backwards a bit. Go down, push your pelvis down. We are working on our leg and hips today. Breathing in, slowly come up, and breathing out, relax. Let's do it on the other side. Left foot 90 degrees outward, and right foot 45 degrees inward. Turn your body to the left side. Breathing in, take your arms up. Join your palms in front of the chest. Bend your left leg and take your right toe behind. And take your arms up. Push your body back a bit. Listen to your body. Do as much as you can. And breathing out, relax. Loosen up your legs. Okay. Once more, spread your leg 3 to 3.5 feet apart. Let's do Veerbhadrasana 2 and then going into the level 2, level 3 posture, which is known as Parsvakonasana. So spread your leg 90 degrees outward. Left foot 10 to 15 degrees inward. Breathing in, take your arms up. And breathing out, turn your face to the right side and bend your right leg. Your right knee is exactly above the ankle. And your body is still in the center, not leaning to the right. And from here, balance your body. Breathing out, go to your knee and take your left arm up. The left side of the body is in straight line from your finger to your toe. And from here, those who can go deeper, only those who can go deeper. If your left side of the body is straight, only then you go. If your body is bent, then please don't try. Then you take your right palm down and go deeper into the Parsvakonasana. And look at your left palm. Left side of the body is in straight line. Breathing in, slowly come up. Back to Veerbhadrasana 2 and relax your leg. Loosen up your leg. Let's do it on the other side. Spread your leg. Once again, 3.5 feet apart. Gently turn your left foot 90 degrees outward. The right foot 10 to 15 degrees inward. Breathing in, take your arms up in line with the shoulder. Gently bend your left leg 90 degrees and look at your left palm. Stay here, balance your body. And now from here, gently bend to the left side and take your right arm up. Right side of the body is in straight line here. And only those who are comfortable, they place their left palm ground in front of the foot. And look at your left palm. Breathing in, slowly come up to Veerbhadrasana 2 and breathing out, relax. Loosen up your legs. Very good. Now let's come to the front of the mat. We will quickly do a 1 round of Surya Namaskar and then continue with some more posture on the leg. Breathe in and out. Namaste. 1, 2, front and up. 3, forward and down. Place the palms by the side of the feet. 4, right leg back. Hold the breath. Left leg back. Body is in straight line. Dandasana.
Breathing out, knee chest chin on the ground. Breathing in, cobra. Breathing out, inverted V. In, right leg between the palms. Breathing out, left leg. In, up and back. And breathing out, namaste. This was the 12 posture on the right leg. Let's do the remaining 12 on the left leg. Breathe in and out, namaste, namaskarasan. In, up and back, Hastatanasan. Breathing out, bend forward and go to Hastapadasana. Breathing in, left leg back. In Asvasanchalanasana. Breathe in, hold the breath, take right leg back. In Chaturanga Dandasana. Breathing out, knee chest chin on the ground. Ashtanga Namaskar. Breathing in, Bhujangasana, Cobra pose. Breathing out, inverted V. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Breathing in, back to Asvasanchalanasana. And breathing out, Hastapadasana. Breathing in, Hastuttanasana. And finally back to Namaskarasan. Loosen up your legs and get ready for some more postures on the leg. Now spread your leg around 2.5 feet with both the feet 45 degrees outward. We will do Skandasana. Now gently go down and place the palms on your knees. Keep your back straight. Stay here. Stay here. Feel the sweet pain on your thigh. Your hips opening up. And slowly come up. Relax your leg. If anybody has any issues on the knee, please avoid these 2-3 postures what we are doing now. So next one would be spread your leg. Spread your leg. Straighten your arm in front. And let's go to the right. Keeping your back straight, come up and go to the left. This is the thigh strengthening exercise, Janga Vikasak. Go to the right as much as you can. Then go to the left, but make sure your back is straight. Right and left. Right and left. Right and left. Right and last time left. And slowly come up. Relax your leg. Once again, loosen up your leg. Now let's do a super brain yoga, squatting. So how we do is, with the help of the right palm, hold your left ear. And with the help of the left palm, hold your right ear. And we'll slowly go into the squatting. Listen to your body. If you have any issues with the knee, please avoid and just sit down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pull your ear. 9, 10. And relax. Relax. Take few breaths. Once again, we will go to the squatting position slowly. Slowly, keeping your back straight. And sitting Malasana. Spread your thighs. Join your fingers in front of the chest. Join your palms, both the palms, in Namaste pose in front of the chest. Breathing in, relax, slowly sit down in butterfly pose. Get ready for butterfly. Join your feet together. Bring it close to the body. Flap your legs. Faster, faster. Now gently place both the feet around 4 to 6 inches apart, keeping your back straight. Slowly go down, breathing out. Keep going down. Ensure your back is straight. Go down as much as you can. Listen to your body. Breathing in, slowly come up. And breathing out, relax. Now gently come up and get ready for cat stretch. Palms below the shoulder, knees below the hips. Breathing in, take your head up. And breathing out, chin to the chest. Once again, breathing in, take your head up. And breathing out, chin to the chest. Make a nice movements of your spine. This time when you breathe in, lift up your left arm and your right leg. Left arm and right leg. Stretch your left arm and right leg. And breathing out, bring it down. Let's do it with the other arm and other leg. Stretch your right arm and your left leg. Stretch, stretch. And breathing out, relax. Slowly sit in Vajrasana. Keeping your back straight, slide forward in child pose. Keep your back straight, slide your palms in front and go down into the child pose. Relax in this posture. Slowly come up, slide forward and lie down on your stomach. Palms by the side of your body. Gently make a fist with your palm, tucking your thumbs inside and closing the thumb inside the forefinger. Place it below the groin, near the groin region, around your thighs. Okay. Now breathing in, lift up both the legs. Lift up both the legs. Stretch both the legs as if somebody is pulling from the back. Feel the contraction on the lower back region. You may move your leg a little bit up and down. Very little. And relax both the legs. Now take your arms out, bend your knees, hold the ankle. And breathing in, lift up in bow posture. Dhanurasana. You may rock your body forward and backwards in bow posture. And relax. Now gently flip over to your back. Flip over to the back. Stretch your arms over the head. And breathing out, Come to the boat posture. Your eyes, finger, and toe in straight line. Stay here. Hold the posture with the help of your abdominal muscles. And do not hold the breath. Continue breathing. Do not hold the breath. Very good. Stay there. One or two more breaths. And breathing out, slowly go down. Relax. Now let's do Pawan Muktasana, the wind releasing pose with both the legs. Breathing in, lift up both the legs and bring your knees close to the chest. Hold both the knees. Breathe in and out. Lift up the upper half of your body and bring your nose between the knee. Squeeze your body like an atom. And you may rock your body forward and backward. Give a good massage to your back. Gently place the head on the ground and rock sideways. Breathing out, relax. Now let's do Dakshinamurti Asana here, the modified version of Natarajasana. So spread your arms on both the sides in line with the shoulder, palms facing the sky. Gently lift up your right leg and place your right ankle on your left knee. Right ankle on the left knee. Gently drop both the leg on the left side of the body. And look at your right palm. Your face is on the right and both the legs on the left. Breathing in, come back to the center. Drop both the legs to the right this time and you're facing the left palm. Breathing in, come back to the center. Let's do it one more time. Legs on the left and your face on the right. Breathing in, come back to the center on the other side. Enjoy the movement of the spine. Loosen up your spine. Once you come back to the center, let's change the legs. Now the left ankle on your right knee. Drop both the legs to the right side this time first and look at your left palm. Breathing in, come back to the center, drop both the legs to the left and look at your right palm. In and out to the other side. In and out to the left. Breathing in, come back to the center and gently straighten your leg. Palms by the side of your body facing the sky. Relax and let go. We'll be shaking our whole body and making a humming sound. So shake your legs, flap your legs, shake your arms, flap your arms, head left and right, shake your whole body as if the current is passing from the body, and let's make a humming sound. Relax. Let go. Drop your whole body to the ground. Body is still, I can stretch you. Your eyes are also still. Your breath is becoming stiller and stiller. whole body still. Drop your whole body weight to the ground. Let the body dissolve into the Mother Earth, becoming one with the earth element. And let your mind dissolve into the space, becoming one with the space element. Gently bring your attention to the right leg. Left leg. Genital region. Abdomen. Stomach near navel region. Chest near the heart. Right shoulder and right arm. Left shoulder and left arm. Throat and neck region. Face. Forehead. Top of the head. Gently bring your attention to the whole body. Your eyes closed. Gently turn to the right side. Taking support of your arms, keeping your eyes closed. Slowly sit up. Slowly sit up. And we will do Shitli Pranayam here. So Shitli Pranayam is make a straw with your tongue and breathe in from the mouth and then close the mouth and breathe out from the nose. And we will do it for 5 to 6 breaths. So those who don't know, they can just see for 1 or 2 breaths and then do it. So make a straw with your tongue. Breathe in, close the mouth and breathe out from the nose. This pranayam helps to cool your body faster. Arms on your thighs, facing the sky. Sit with your eyes closed. Sit with your spine erect, body relax and loose. Gently bring the attention to your whole body. Gently expand your attention to 1 feet around your body. Just a gentle attention, 1 feet around your body. Expand little more. Bring your attention to 3 feet around your body. 3 feet on top, 3 feet under the ground, in front, left, right, all around the body. A gentle awareness. Do not push too much. Expand your awareness to the whole room, the room in which you are sitting.
Go your effort. Just relax. Bring back your awareness to the 3 foot. Slowly to 1 feet. Bring your awareness back to your body. Become aware of your body and surrounding. And whenever you feel complete, you may slowly and gently open your eyes. So with this, we conclude the session for 21st day. See you all tomorrow, same time, 6:45.